So the severe cyclonic storm Phony is inching closer towards the southern eastern coast of India. In fact, it is threatening to have the maximum impact in the state of Odisha. Phony is currently located about 235 kilometers southeast of Visakhapatnam and 420 kilometers from the Odisha coast. It's presently moving at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour. An orange alert has been sounded in the states of Odisha and West Bengal. As per the Met Department, the cyclonic storm is also likely to move northeastwards and then make its landfall in Odisha between Gopalpur and Chandbali on Friday. Meanwhile, a string of Odisha-bound trains stand cancelled in view of the alert that has been sounded. A special train, however, from Puri to Kolkata is all set to start from 12 noon today. The Election Commission has also lifted the model code from these districts and has shifted the EVMs to a safer place. NDRF teams have already been put on standby. They have been positioned in Andhra Pradesh's Srikakulam as it is expected to receive a very heavy rainfall as a result of Cyclone Phony.
All precautions have been taken to face this cyclone. All lives are precious, every life is precious, and we'll certainly work towards that. We are fully prepared to tackle Cyclone Phony.
The alerts given by IMD and other agencies shows that the impact is very less on the district of Krishna. We have formed special teams and we have alerted the people living in coastal mandals, and we have warned fishermen not to venture into the sea.
The extremely severe cyclone Phony is gaining strength and is heading towards the coast of Odisha. The landfall is expected to take place on 3rd in the afternoon, but the state government is taking adequate measures. A high alert has been sounded across 14 districts. All the districts, especially those on the beaches and near the sea and the Bay of Bengal, have been put on high alert. The waves will give you an idea on the quantum of impact that is expected to be there and the devastation that is probably possible because of this crisis. The fact that not just the high waves but also the winds, which will be blowing to a maximum speed of around 200 kilometers per hour, will be the biggest concern. Most of the buildings here in Puri district have been evacuated. These are the hotels and most of the tourists have been asked to leave the place. The concerns of the government are to make adequate preparations that people do not venture out into the sea. Most of the fishermen have been asked and embargoed from moving into the sea, but that's not all. There are special preparations that have been made for many tourists who have already arrived. Instructions have been given for them to leave the place at the sea most possible, or rather the soonest possible reason. The fact that the red flags that you see here will give you an idea of the high alert that has been sounded with special teams of disaster management and other several forces that have been pressed into action. Even the central government has given a loan of 340 crore as a crisis for the state government to deal with this calamity. The fact that there is adequate preparation being made. Most of the people have been asked to stay away from the beach, but they have arrived here, and that's the reason why they've been staying here. The state police, the NDRF and several other forces here pressing into action to ensure that the people stay away from the rough sea. This sea is just the prelude to what it would be in the hours to come. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Lohiwal in Puri for India Today.